After my drive and fail video that was released earlier this week, a couple of commenters said about me staying in the middle lane. Well, this situation actually happened yesterday, that's why we've got an extra video this week, and it allows me to explain why choosing the middle lane as I did in the previous clip, and I do in this clip, is a safer option. Again, I'm following the signs for Southport and Formby. First things first, I'm catching the vehicles in the left side. However, there is a speed limit change which I know very well up ahead, so as I drop my speed back down to 50, it is going to affect the people behind, so I do it smoothly. And it's at this point people have been saying that I should move out of the way, I should move back to the left. Well, that would just confuse people on where I'm going. It may even invite cars behind, who are in the middle lane, to start passing. And then where should I start to get back out again? There's another sign again advising the lane and direction of travel. And it's only the people breaking the speed limit who are coming past. And all they're doing is racing to queue. What we're going to be watching now is the black Vauxhall in lane 3 and also the car transporter in lane 1. If the car transporter had positioned in the middle lane like I did, would this incident have even happened? Well, the answer is no. If the black impatient Vauxhall had have gone to lane 1 and undertaken everyone, there's only one car lane changing. When there's two, it adds more risk into the situation. Imagine if everyone had ignored all the signs and got to this point where there's 5 lane choices, and then they start to pick the lane that they wish to use. It would be chaos. So remember, position early in good time to suit your surroundings, and try not to be pressured by the idiots who think you should get out of the way for them. Most of the time, you'll all be sat at a set of red lights together anyway. Keep safe, I hope to see you soon.